Rising sea levels as a result of melting glacial ice pose serious threats to small island nations and coastal communities. Rising sea levels impact local industries, infrastructure, and natural resource availability. In Barbados, tourism serves as a major supportive industry as resorts line the beaches of the small island. Rising sea levels severely implicate this industry by threatening the location of resorts with water encroachment and damaging the beaches. Apart from tourism, rising sea levels threaten infrastructure such as airports, power plants, roads, and agricultural land. This will inhibit the ability of citizens to live adequately unless preventative measures are taken, such as moving important facilities to higher grounds or building better levee systems. Rising sea levels also implicate environmental systems in island regions, such as coral reefs, which provide protection from the ocean and a large amount of nutrients. Solutions to rising sea levels on the local level include transitioning development further inland and upgrading storm defense, while global solutions align themselves with